Well, hi, good morning. So, after a couple of days, again, I've decided to do another video and again basically discuss the markets. I hope you actually are liking that. Now, in terms of how the markets are looking like for Nifty and Bank Nifty, there was some sort of unwinding in the futures for Nifty futures, and for Bank Nifty again, there was a more long unwinding here. But I think nothing to be worried because the way structure is looking like, it looks like actual traders are adding more long positions in terms of derivative structure here. So perhaps it's more about reducing your positions in terms of futures, but then actually going more for a less risky weighted sort of options here. Broadly, the structure is that 10,600, 700, 500, those actually are saying good sort of long call addition. There's writing happening at a higher base here, 400, 300. The futures again, there is no material decrease in terms of the future open interest positions. VIX has been going down. All basically is a recipe of a bull market. Market breadth is very strong, very solid among the small caps, mid caps. Again, that also basically looks very good here. So if I just look at everything, it tells me that at present markets are going to do multiple attempts at 10,500 before they exhaust. And once actually we start trading and crossing and basically start trading about 10,500, then I think we will be set in for a material rally, for a pre-budget rally. In fact, 10,800, 11,000, that could also be on the cards here. So you can argue that yes, all those terms, overbought, resistance and all that. But the fact of the matter is the liquidity is very strong. At present, markets are not giving any signs of real worry here. You have to be selective in terms of the stock selection because almost everything is running. So in that, I think our focus should be on quality. But in terms of that, I think broadly it's looking good. Now, in terms of option strategy, I think it would be a good idea. I think basically if you just remain cognizant of the fact that perhaps markets are going to move sideways and then will move higher. So I think strategies should be made with respect to that. This stock again saw very sort of good long additions. Again, stock like NCC, Amara Raja Batteries, Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement very strong build up, but then perhaps some cool off, and then again a progression could be expected. So in that way, NCC Amara Raja Batteries has a much higher risk reward ratio here. Stock like PVR ahead of the big release of Salman Khan movie The Tiger Zinda, again that stock basically is going to remain excited. And also stocks like DLF again basically, and some more stocks, Adani Power after the coal linkage approval, and then other stocks, Arvind again basically a good sort of open interest build up, good momentum there. So again that stock also should be in your radar here. And lastly again, basically what is looking good in terms of the way I have data here is that the metal stocks again basically are looking good. Good 1 to 2% up move on the metal stocks. In fact, metal prices, copper, zinc, aluminum, they all actually were doing well on LME. So I would say that Hindalco, Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc again all should be having good day. Vedanta in fact has been trading above the resistance level of 308 to 310. So I think overall it looks good for the metals. So metals, media, reality should be actually doing well. And apart from that, I think the FMCG is also doing good. HUL, watch out for the HUL again. That stock seems to be actually getting open interest. Overall, it looks like a nice day, and I think all strategies, if placed correctly, I think should be giving good returns here. Keep me posted and hope you like this update. Take care.